Hello folks, this is Mark Dunn again, and the next video in my series for SQL Server 2012 for developers is on the topic of multi-table queries. Let's get started. A little bit about myself. My name is Mark Dunn. I'm a Microsoft Regional Director for the Southeast USA, as well as being a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional in the area of Visual Basic.net. I'm also the president of Dunn Training Incorporated, an Atlanta-based training company, and you can learn more about us at our website, www.dunntraining.com. I also happen to be a Microsoft Certified Database Administrator, a Certified Solution Developer, and a Certified Trainer. I've been teaching this course for over 15 years to literally thousands of students. In this session, we're going to learn how to retrieve data from multiple tables, and there are really different methods of doing that. Alright, next I wanted to show you just a full-blown example of writing a query that used more than just a couple of tables. And you can see from the way this query looks that I didn't just write this myself. In fact, I did this in the Query Designer because it's much faster whenever you're especially doing joins between more than just a couple of tables. So if I want to go back and take a look at that, I can simply highlight the query. And remember, we can go back in and design a query in the editor just by choosing that menu option. And when I do that, notice you can see all the different tables that I used in this query. And in fact, I am joining 6 tables together to get back some information that would be useful for maybe a report. So you can see that I pulled album information. And to make this look a little bit better, Alright, let's move on to our next topic, which is very similar to joins. It's something called a union. And let's talk a little bit about where unions would become handy for us. Unions simply combine data from 2 or more tables, and this is important where the queries return the same number of columns, and those columns have to be compatible with each other as far as the data types go. The syntax for a union is actually very simple. You write a query, you use the union. Optionally, you can use the all keyword. If you use all, it will keep any duplicate rows that exist between the result sets from the 2 queries. And then you union that with a second query, making certain that when you write the query, the columns line up and that the data types are compatible with each other. And you can union together as many different queries as makes sense.